In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the button colors on your WooCommerce website using CSS. This is a great way to add a personal touch to your site, ensuring that it aligns perfectly with your brand's color palette. Whether you're looking to match your existing theme or create a new look entirely, changing button colors is a straightforward and effective adjustment that can refresh your site's appearance. To get started, you'll first need to access the WordPress dashboard of your website. On the left-hand side, locate the Appearance tab. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu. From here, you'd want to select Customize. This will take you to the WordPress Customizer, a comprehensive tool that allows you to make real-time changes to your site. Once you're in the Customizer, look toward the bottom of the panel where you'll find the Additional CSS section. Click on this, and it will open a text area where you're going to input your custom CSS code. Before you dive in, it's worth noting that CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is a scripting language used to control the layout and appearance of web pages. As intimidating as it may seem at first, adding CSS is quite simple, and we're here to make the process as smooth as possible. Next, you'll need to input the CSS code that changes the button colors. You can copy and paste the following code snippet directly into the Additional CSS section. WooCommerce a button file, WooCommerce button, background color, higher color code. This specific code targets all the buttons associated with WooCommerce products on your site, setting a new background color. The key part here is the background color property. To make this work for your site, replace had your color code with the hex code of your desired color. Hex codes are 6-character symbols used universally in web development to represent colors. Think of them as the digital version of paint swatches. If you're unsure of your brand's hex color, there are plenty of online tools where you can find or convert your chosen colors to hex codes. After you've entered your specific hex code in place of your color code, the live preview will update to reflect your change. Take a moment to make sure everything looks as expected. Have a check across different pages or devices to ensure the new button colors are appearing consistently wherever they should. Finally, once you're satisfied with the appearance of your buttons, look for the Save and Publish button located at the top of the Customizer panel. Clicking this will apply and make your changes live on your website. Congratulations! You've successfully customized the button colors on your WooCommerce site, giving it a fresh look that better suits your brand's aesthetic. This adjustment not only enhances visual appeal, but also contributes to a cohesive brand experience for your site visitors. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your beautifully customized